And there are the students here. Let's start. Now, India, we have stopped somewhere around page number 37. Now, when I am speaking about India, India got its independence when, which year? 1947. और जब उसको independence नहीं मिला इंडिया को, उसके पहले India had to, fight against several other problems, like country was not developed, country was completely poor, there were no educated people in the society, and completely people were judged on the basis of inequality. Okay, so the national movement of independence had provided India with certain values and goals. India got good values, good goals through one movement. This is that movement, national. Is it clear? So please underline. Please comment. National movement for independence had provided India with certain values and goals. The values were, underline the values, कौन से ये जो values जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, which are these values? Please write the values. I am telling you the values. So, nationalism, secularism and democracy. Nationalism, secularism and democracy. These are the values. You can draw this if you want. And goals for economic development. I am repeating again, pay attention. Before independence, India had to face these all several problems. So India got its independence in the year 1947. India wanted to prosper. So the national movement came into the picture. What is national movement? It has certain kind of values and goals. Which values? Nationalism, secularism and democracy, and along with that economic development, which will result into the goals of the country. I hope this is clear. Please write it down. कितने दिन तक तुम्हारा लेक्चर 10:15 9:15 to 10:30. Done writing? Sure. Let's continue. The first task of India's independence was to underline, preserve, consolidate and strengthen India's unity. India की unity को preserve करना है और is preserve to maintain, consolidate to get it together. And this is an important task so that India का जो religion है, India का जो linguistic identity है, वो maintain है. So this was the problem of national integration or integration of people as Indian people as a political community. As Indians had multiple castes, creeds, religions, people of different culture background came together, so this was one of the problems. Democracy was considered very much important for, in the blank. Why was democracy considered important? Democracy was considered important because to promote national integration, bring social change. To promote national integration and bring a social change. जिसकी वजह से पॉवर्टी कम हो जाएगा एंड कास्ट एंड जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी भी कम हो जाएगा. दो चीज कम हो जाएगी, पॉवर्टी कम हो जाएगा, कास्ट एंड जेंडर इनइक्वालिटी भी कम हो जाएगा. The newly independent state of India, please pay attention. The newly independent state of India had to take deliberate steps. बहुत सारे steps लेने पड़ते थे. So one was the structural aspect. The steps which India had to take was the structural aspect and वो constitutional process था. Because constitution had given them some key role. What is key role? Some important role. किसने दिया था important role? Constitution. You everyone know what is constitution. Good. So Constitution of India provided some key features जिसकी वजह से national identity and national unity भी maintained रहे. And the second was psychological dimension. What is psychological dimension? Different feelings that people have or people had for Indian nationalism. I hope this is clear. First and second, both the points. People who had various types of identities began to unite under the common umbrella. जिन लोगों की भी identities together थी, they came under one roof to be known as Indians. Is it clear? People who had different what? They had different identities, but they came together and they had shown same identities. उनको हम किसके नाम से पहचाने जाते हैं? We are Indians. Okay. So this is the time when people with diverse identities, I told you, diverse मतलब different. The different identities came together and to be called as Indians, already as explained. The civilization entity called India began to transform. अब ये scenario देख के पता चल रहा है कि इंडिया जो है अब धीरे धीरे क्या कर रही है? What do you mean by transform? Change. Very good. India is changing. It's changing in the nation because of the freedom. Is it clear? Please read here that I am starting with structural dimension. Today I think we will not be able to finish the chapter. College exam syllabus guys? Only 18. 28. Quickly, please read that. Please on it. नहीं, that's black. हाँ, उसको बदलो. वो हम कितना है टेम्परेचर? 25, 24, 23 करूँ तो बराबर है. Sure. Let me know.